Hello Varuna. Today we can start with the arrays in JavaScript. Already we have seen in C language also what is the array, how many types of arrays are there. In C++ also we have already discussed what is the array, how many types of arrays are there, how to locate the memory address also. In JavaScript, what is the array, how we are going to be allocating the memory also we can see one by one. How to declare the arrays. Here, see, arrays. Object allows you to store keyed collection of values. Means objects, whatever objects we are going to be creating in JavaScript, it should be allowed keyed collection of values. Means collection of values we are going to be storing. That's fine. But quite often find out we need ordered collection. Means here we are going to be whatever data we are going to be collecting, it should be ordered. Where we have first and second element and so on. Means here we are going to be whatever data we are going to be listing, that should be ordered. For example, we need to store a list of something, user goods, HTML elements. This is the way of collecting. What is an array? Array is nothing but it is a collection of similar type of elements. Means we are going to be storing the data. This is the way of, this is the definition of the array. Next, we can see the how to declare the array. First, we are going to be using the let is a array name, array equal to new array. Let array equal to size we are not going to be mentioning. See, what is the object allows you to store key collection of values. Means this one is the key collection of what is the array. Array is a object. By using that we are going to be collecting the which type of data. This let keyword we are going to be using. Here we are going to be storing the fruits. That is the way of to creating the array. Almost all the time the second syntax is used when we supply initial elements in the brackets. Means here this second syntax we are going to be using. First we need to initialize, first we need to declare the array, and also we need to initialize the value. How? By using keyword, key object of the array we are going to be using let fruits. Data type we are going to be, variable name we have given the fruits. Means we are going to be storing which type of data? Fruits, which apple, orange, plum, like that, cerium, guava, like that, with this type of, means fruits related, whatever fruits are there in the market, that all the items will be stored here. That is the use of the data. Array elements are numbered starting with 0. Which means whenever we are going to be creating the array list, how the numbers will be starting with the 0. We can get element by number, its square brackets. Means how we can store the memory allocated. Number memory allocation will be started where onwards? 0 onwards, and end with the size -1. This is the way of to access. Next, we can replace the element also. How we can replace? Directly we need to give the array name, then specify the size, and equals assignment operator we are going to be using. Then we are going to be changing the, already we have which place plum is there in the second position. Here we are going to be using the pear. This is the way of to creating the array, and we are going to be replacing the array. Array elements we are going to be replacing. We can search the data. Which data we need to search? Arrays. JavaScript arrays. See, JavaScript arrays are used to store multiple values. Means in a single variable. Means single variable we are going to be using. We are going to be storing the multiple values. We can see the example also. See here, in the simple example, in HTML element we are going to be using closing element. Within that we are going to be creating the simple array. How to create? First, where is a keyword, then array name is cards we are going to be using. By using assignment operator within the square brackets, here we are going to be storing the elements. Saab, Volvo, BMW. Car names we are going to be specifying. Then we are going to be displaying the data. Document dot get element ID demo. We are going to be using dot inner dot equal to cars. Which variable we are going to be calling? Cars we are going to be calling. Means it should display the all the elements. This is the predefined function we are going to be using to display all the elements on the array. This is the simple example of the array. What is an array? Array is a special variable which can hold the more than one value at a time. Means by using arrays, we are going to be holding the more than one value at a time by using single variable. If you have a list of items storing the cars in single variable, put like this. Means here we are going to be following some order to store the values. Next, we can see the creating an array. How to create? First use the where is a keyword, then use the array name. Within the square brackets, we need to create the list of items. Example is there here. Where is a keyword, variable name is, array name is we have given cars. Within the square brackets, we have given the list of elements of the array. This is the simple example. Using JavaScript keyword new means here we are going to be using the new keyword. What is the meaning of new keyword? By using array object, we are going to be adding the which type of data? List of items we need to generate. For that we are going to be using the through object also. Through object based keyword also we are going to be storing the data. We have already seen how to create. Here what is the keyword? Cars is a keyword. By using new object array, this one is the object of the array and we are going to be storing the data here. Accessing the array, accessing the elements of array. How to access? By using, whenever we are going to be storing the list of items, how the memory will be allocated? It should be stored starting with 0 and size -1 we are going to be using. By using this formula we are going to be accessing. We are going to be storing. Then how to access? By using the location. Which location it should be stored? By using indexing numbers. Where name equal to cars. Here we are going to be specifying the indexing number. It is 0th location. Which element is there? That will be displayed. Next, changing an array element. How to? Already we have some element is there. Instead of using that element, we need to replace that one also. How to replace? Directly we need to use the cars array name. Then which position we are going to be changing that position? We need to specify within the double quotation. We need to give the list of the new element. This is the way of changing the element. Accessing the full array. Accessing the full array means how many elements are there in the particular array. All the elements if you want to access means how to access. With JavaScript, full array can be accessed by referring the array name. By using the array name we are going to be accessing. Tomorrow we can start with the arrays